Hi everyone, this is Ethiopia Nagash. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I clean my oven and what cleaning product finally worked for me. Without further ado, let's get to it. As you see, our oven needed a major TLC. You have no idea how many products I tried on our oven to get rid of the stains until I found this pink stuff product that I really like, and I cannot wait to show you the end result. Just to let you know, I'm not sponsored by the pink stuff today. I just wanted to show you my experience and how I got rid of the stains of my oven. So tune in until the end. I'll start by taking off the 2 screws so I can clean in the bottom, and then move on to applying the pink stuff all over. The products I'm using today are the pink stuff, microfiber cloth, full circle dish cleaning sponge, and stainless steel scrubber. I will make sure to link them all under my description for you.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
So one tip I want to give you is you don't want to let it dry longer. I had to take care of my kids in between, so I let it dry. So it was kind of tough for me to get rid of the stain. So I had to use the stainless steel scrubber to really scrub very hard, and it took me a while. So when you clean, apply the pink stuff and don't wait longer to wipe it off and scrub it. I want to point out that I did not use the stainless steel scrubber on the oven top because I know it would ruin it. So I just used a microfiber towel to clean the oven top, but I used the stainless steel scrubber for the inside of the oven.
even if you try.
Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this, how clean and shiny it is. I've been waiting for this day because, like I told you earlier, I tried a lot of products on this oven, and by far this is the product that worked for me. So look at the before and after.
Different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys got a great tip on how you can clean your oven. Until I see you on my next video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.